Welcome to a journey through the dynamic landscapes of tech and business, guided by the astute observations of Dr. Hwa A. Born in Asia, educated in the UK and the US, and having immersed himself in the thrilling days of supercomputing in the 1980s and early 1990s, Dr. Lim's diverse experiences have equipped him with a compelling perspective on the tech industry's evolution. His extensive background in the sciences, complemented by his training in business administration, has allowed him to witness firsthand the boom and bust cycles of high-tech companies. As an invited speaker at the Institution of Engineering and Technology, he spoke about the survival, revival, and demise of various tech giants. Dr. Lim traces the trajectory of Microsoft, a company that managed to survive the volatile currents of the tech industry. From the point-and-click graphical user interface revolution sparked by Apple in 1984, Microsoft adapted and emerged dominant on the desktop with Windows. In the mid-1990s, when Netscape Communications threatened to undermine the importance of Windows with their internet browser, Microsoft retaliated with their own browser. According to Dr. Lim, Microsoft used its monopolistic operating system to undermine Netscape, piggybacking on the market Netscape had opened. Apple, initially a computer company, is now simply Apple, having revived itself through the success of its I series of products, including iPads and iPhones. However, not all tech giants have fared as well. Dr. Lim discusses the fates of Cisco and Sun Microsystems, companies that failed to future-proof themselves and subsequently collapsed. Cisco, once the world's most valuable company, saw its stock crash, and its hardware go from revolutionary to commonplace. Sun Microsystems, once valued at $200 billion, failed to pivot to the lucrative software space and was acquired for a fraction of its peak valuation. As the sun set on these tech giants, others rose in their place. Dr. Lim amusingly notes that the current campus of Google was once that of Silicon Graphics, and Facebook's campus was once home to Sun Microsystems. As we look towards the future, Dr. Lim ponders over the potential victims of the digital revolution. Could the postal system, taxi services, or brick-and-mortar bookstores be next? With his keen insight and extensive experience, Dr. Lim's predictions hold significant weight. In the ever-changing world of tech and business, one thing is certain: evolution is inevitable. Companies rise and fall, but the spirit of innovation perseveres. As we navigate this dynamic landscape, the insights of visionaries like Dr. Hwa A. Lim guide us, shedding light on the past, present, and future of the tech industry.